outside or normal black and white stripes that Sephora are. Sephora is. Hello my loves and welcome to another video. If you haven't been here before, hello, my name is Chrissy. If you have, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a Sephora Play unboxing. So if you're interested, then go ahead and stay tuned. So if you didn't know, Sephora Play is a subscription box. It is done by Sephora. It is $10 a month. It has 5 sample and deluxe sample size items in it, and usually a bonus item, which is either usually a perfume or a hair care item. This is what the box looks like. It's just the normal outside or normal black and white stripes that Sephora are. Sephora is. You open it up and inside you have this on top, and this is it's just your sheet that tells you everything and what the theme is. This one is the Joy of Complexion, and you usually get a card that has 50 extra Sephora bonus points, or this month they have a 20% off coupon, which is really nice. So anyway, this is what your bag looks like. Usually I've seen them in red. I've never seen a blue one before, but when I used to get this before last summer, it came in a little drawstring bag, and I really like those. I wish I had those still, but that's all right. So I'm just going to go ahead and start pulling items out of here, and we'll see what they are. So the first item is this absolutely adorable little sample of Shiseido Waso Clear Mega Hydrating Cream. And this is what it looks like inside. I got it on my nose. It doesn't have much of a scent to it. It's really pretty. Like, it's such an adorable little set or size. Feels really nice on the skin. And it absorbed really quick too. My skin does not absorb lotion very quick, so that absorbed really nicely. So that is absolutely adorable. Next we have, oh, upside down. Next we have, Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This is actually my favorite setting spray, and I am super excited that we got this in here. So this is the size. It's a little guy, but I'm happy with that. Next we have a foil packet of apple cider vinegar hair mask. Interesting. It's supposed to deep condition with smart proteins that target damaged areas of hair. That's interesting. That'll be fun to use. I'll probably get, this is really full. I'll probably get a few uses out of that too. Then we have Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. Not sure what it's treatment for, but there's that. Let's open it up actually. It says lotion, but there's bubbles. Then we have the tiniest little Tarte Hydrating Primer. And we have Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Cleanser from Youth to the People. Oh, it's glass. This is a facial. Use 1 to 2 times a day. Yeah, this is a facial cleanser. It's in a glass bottle. I was not expecting that at all. So yeah, let's see what it smells like. It smells like cleanser. Let's see what this smells like. Kind of, you know, for this being a lotion, it's very watery. It's a lotion. I'm really confused by this product. But hopefully the packet will say more about it. All right, so that was everything in there. So this must have been our bonus item this month. All right, so let's see. The Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer, Rainforest of the Sea collection. This gripping primer ensures your look isn't just a flash in the pan. The formula helps make makeup stay put and nurture skin with antioxidants and probiotics. Apply a pea-sized amount in a thin layer on clean, moisturized skin before applying makeup. Next, we have the Waso Clear Mega Hydrating Moisturizer in the cutest little sample bottle I have ever seen. The secret ingredient in this clear gel? Carrots. It's formulated with whole carrot cells that deliver hydration for healthy looking skin. Smooth 2 pea-sized drops onto skin as a last step in your routine morning and night. Tip, because it's clear, you can also use it throughout the day over makeup as needed. Interesting. Then we have this that I'm so confused by. Ideal for those times when your skin needs to simmer down. This light calming lotion uses a mushroom-infused formula to reduce the look of redness. Oh, I'm excited by that. Shake the bottle to activate the ingredients, pour a grape-sized amount into palm, and use fingertips to apply to clean skin. Then follow with the rest of your routine. Okay, so it's very watery. I definitely wouldn't have called it a lotion. So you just shake it up and put some on your hand and put it on your skin just like you would lotion, but it's not the consistency of lotion. Next, we have the Youth to the People Superfood Antioxidant Cleanser, a green juice for your skin. The cleansing gel is formulated with nurturing kale, spinach, and green tea to remove makeup and prevent buildup and pores. It says how to use. There's one simple mission behind this brand's amazing skincare. What you put on your skin should be something on my shirt. Sorry, should be as whole, nutrient-rich, and clean as what you put in your body. That's how you use it. I mean, it's a face wash. You know how to use it, but it's funny. Oh, also, the Shiseido is an exclusive, and this Urban Decay is award-winning. So, it says, all-nighter, long-lasting makeup setting spray. Keep them melting in the kitchen. This setting spray actually lowers the temperature of your makeup to help it stay in place and look vibrant for up to 16 hours. Interesting. After applying makeup, shake up the bottle, then hold 8 to 10 inches away and mist face 2 to 4 times in an X and T movement. I can honestly say that when I use my setting sprays, I definitely spray them more than 4 times. And our bonus item is the DP Hue Apple Cider Vinegar Hair Mask. This super nurturing mask works for all hair types. Sunflower seed extract protects hair color, while macadamia oil adds shine and moisture. Apply a clementine-sized amount throughout the clean, damp hair from mid-length to end and let sit for 5 to 20 minutes. Then rinse out. It's such an odd, a clementine size amount. So yeah, that was this month's box. Normally I would do a try-on, but there is no actual makeup items in there, so I'm not going to be doing a try-on today. But next month I will have a review for you. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've already given it a thumbs up and you would like to see more videos, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you've already hit the subscribe button and you would like to get a notification every time I post a video, then go ahead and hit the little bell notification icon. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon. Bye.